Okay, it is October 20th, 2023. This video here, I want to show you a few functions on a Kirby vacuum cleaner. Just very simple. I'm not going to show you like everything there's to know. I've already done some videos on that. But I just want to remind some people of some features that are very useful, and especially as we head into the holiday season. Most of us, we want to get our house very clean. We want to get all those extra nooks and crannies that never get touched. We want to deep clean stuff. We want to get all the cobwebs, all the dust, all the lint, just all of that cleaned out, So, there are a few things that you're going to need out of your Kirby toolkit. And let me see if I can get down onto the floor here. Here, you're going to need your hose. Your wall and ceiling brush. Your dusting brush. Your suction control grip. And your 2 extension ones. Now, when you do this, you want to make sure that the nozzle is raised to its highest position. Now, you're going to press the large pedal and raise it. Raise the headlight hood, flip out the handle on the belt lifter if yours is a G5 or newer. Prior to the G5, you would just turn the entire thing. There's no handle. So, I'm going to turn the belt lifter to the left until the red arrows line up. And then you're going to have this silver latch. You're going to unlock that and remove it from the Kirby. Next, you're going to take your hose. You're going to get the little hooks, the bird feet, and put it on its perch. Little bar here. Tilt it up, lock it down, and lower the headlight hood. Now you are ready to use any attachments that you please. Now you can use any of these attachments directly on the end of the hose, like the duster brush, for example. Dust any furniture, anything that you might have. You can also dust lampshades, things like that. But if you're doing lampshades or anything like that, I would suggest you use the suction control grip to reduce the amount of suction if you need to. Like for blinds, lampshades, things like that. And then you can also put 1 or 2 extension wands on the end to extend your reach and efficiently use these attachments. And I'm going to tell you right now that you can reach a lot with these. You know, most standard ceiling heights are about 8 feet, and you can reach, oops, yeah, you want your hose attached for it to work. So, you could reach all the way up into the corners, and my feet are flat on the floor, and my hands are not above my head. I'm about 5'9", 5'10", in that range. If you're shorter, you might have to reach a little farther, and you could always get additional extension ones if you would like, off of eBay or whatever. So you can reach the tops of door frames like this and get all that dust, as well as all the corners. Like I said, this angle is absolutely outstanding. You can also switch the elbow to the end of the tubes and clean that way. So then you can get more of it at a deeper angle if something is a little farther back or a little higher, and do that. You can also rotate the brush to be able to get ceiling fan blades, stuff like that, on the underside. And then lastly, you have your wall and ceiling brush. Now this is a wide path brush. I'm going to put it on here, and you can do high bookshelves, large flat surfaces that are high and deeper, and you can even put this elbow between the ones to get farther back. So for example, there you go. Now you can go farther back. You can also rotate the brush around. And this is mainly how you would use it to clean walls, ceilings, and other large flat surfaces. As you can see, and I'm standing flat on my feet once again. My hands aren't necessarily above my head. They're like right here in front. So you can get all these cobwebs and stuff very easily with your Kirby system. Kirbys are just so versatile. They're extremely functional. I'm telling you, I mean, there are people that don't like them, and I understand that. But if you have any interest in a Kirby system and you keep hearing nothing but complaints and negativity, just ignore that, because a lot of these people have either had a bad experience with the salespeople, or they don't like how heavy the machine is, which I don't blame them. But, you know, you have to look beyond what the majority of people say when you're looking at these. And no, Kirbys are not for everyone. You know, they are close to 25 pounds. So they're not a light machine at all. They're heavy. But if weight is not an issue, a Kirby vacuum cleaner has many benefits, and they will last you decades and decades and decades. And one more thing, the bags are massive. I mean, you have huge capacity. They will last you months and months and months and months. 6, 8, 9, 10 months a bag. It's foolproof. So, before I go, let me show you how to convert the machine back. So when you're done, now I understand that the hose is not on board. I will mention that if you know you're going to be doing attachment cleaning, I would put the hose on and do all your attachment cleaning first. And then I would put the nozzle on and do all your carpet and floors. It just makes it a little bit more simple. And plus, if you happen to knock dust down or something, from up high, you do the floors last and you get anything that might have fallen on the floor. So I'm going to raise the headlight hood. I'm going to flip this switch. I'm going to take that hose off. Set it aside. Make sure that the red arrows on the belt lifter are lined up. Put the nozzle on. You'll feel it drop into place. Once it rocks smoothly and it doesn't wobble side to side, push it straight up. Turn that silver latch to lock it on. Then turn the belt lifter to the right until the green arrows line up, and lower the headlight hood. So, it's very simple. Is it the most convenient? Probably not. But is it effective and efficient at its job? Yes, it is. So I hope that you learned something, and hopefully this benefits you as we go into the holiday season, getting our home prepared, getting it clean and refreshed. Very, very functional machine. Anytime I'm doing any deep cleaning, this is the machine I grab, is my Kirby. I love it. I absolutely love it. You cannot go wrong with the Kirby. So anyway, I hope that was informative. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, please ask. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.